What are some common questions you get asked as a BMW owner?
The most common one is, who are you and what are you doing in my house? That one I get a lot for some reason. Probably number 2 is, what's my interest rate? And even when I tell them it's like 30 something, they freak out and I don't know what the hell their point is about it.
Well, you know, I was talking to Paul the other day and he was like, so how's your equity in your car? And I was like, what do you mean? You can have equity in a car? I didn't know what he was saying. Like, the last time I checked, I was like negative 17, 18 under. But like,
not bad, not bad.
Debt, if you die, it goes away. So like,
might as well just kill yourself and then you have no debt, apparently.
Dude, we're gonna get banned from YouTube. What are you doing?
Shit, we didn't say anything. We pulled up, we're at the ethanol station, and I think it's the time. The car is not fast enough. We flashed stage 2. I'm gonna go E30. I wanna see what it does to the car if it wakes it up, because I'm just not satisfied. It's not fast enough. So we're gonna hit this boy with the Go Fast juice, and yeah, let's get to it. It's a sad day. The MHD flashers aren't updated properly, and the flasher that I have doesn't work on Gen 1 B58s. So, Braden, we blame you. We're gonna blame Braden for this one. And we're back. So, this is try number 2. I ordered the MHD flasher that will work this time, hopefully. I'm probably only gonna go like 1 round of it just because I'm not really fond of having to go to this gas station for all my fueling needs. So, we're gonna hop in the car, we're gonna flash it at the pump, and then we're gonna pump in some E85, baby. Let's fucking go.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
This is the 3rd time we're sitting at the fucking gas pump, ready to go. I'm already flashed. We have enough empty space in the tank to put E85 in. So we're gonna go ahead and put E85 in for the first time. We're going about an E30 blend. I don't know how many times I've done this clip, but I'm very excited. And there we go. Is that it? Do I get to start? Holy shit. That's it, boys.
There we go. So now, this is where the fun part begins. We're gonna test it out.
We gotta go shake and bake her a little bit, make sure everything's all mixed up, juiced up, you know, whatever we gotta do. So right now, we're doing the very scientific task of mixing our fuel mixture, because you don't want to go just like start hammering down on the car, you know, without mixing the fuel and stuff like that. So obviously we gotta get her nice and mixed up. Woo! I don't know, I'm so nervous because I'm so excited and I'm really hoping this makes it quicker and optimal to my standards. So that's all I care about, at least. So keep getting her mixed up and stuff, and yeah.
He's out here really shaking and baking. Like, I ain't never seen no one shake and bake quite like this guy.
Hurry up, get in the car. It's 85 time. What are you doing? Why are you taking so long?
Oh,
God.
Make sure that if it gets towed, then you're gonna fuck up the whole drivetrain. You know, I turn the wheel, put the park brake on.
Oh yeah. So drivetrain is working perfectly fine right now. It is having no problems.
It really sounds so strange though. Like, it's like this, like.
Band.
What?
K-band. K-A band.
Oh, hello. We are currently driving with E30 in the tank, and it gives some nice noises, honestly.
It sounds good.
It sounds not too bad, right?
Ignore the whistle for this.
From my big turbo.
Fake M. It's so torquey though.
Does it?
I don't know. I remember what your car was like stock, and this is not
Yeah,
even
do
there.
you remember? Because I don't have a quick second gear pull.
That's wicked fast.
It kind of goes, right?
Yeah.
Am I crazy? Yes, it does.
What the hell?
Holy shit.
Have you ever heard it pop like that?
No! It's been loud before, but...
This is wild, man. Hey, chill out here. We're in a turn, dog.
What do you mean? You're totally
It's the shittiest road ever. What do you mean?
I'm fucking skating. The rear end is like this. Holy shit. Oh my gosh!
Dude, that's so wicked.
Holy!
Wait, park this bitch. I gotta hear this from the outside. Hold on. Alright. You got 10 seconds before we get shot. Go.
Oh
That's
my.
pretty cool.
Right,
It needs to be under load for the bangs though.
It does. Holy shit!
That's ridiculous.
Holy.
What the hell?
Yeah, dude, honestly, again, it's not fast enough.
Nah, what are you smoking crack? That's pretty fast.
It kind of goes, right?
Okay, what was my reaction when we tuned the 5?
It was the same thing. You were like, it's not fast enough, and then afterwards you're like, all right, maybe it's kind of good.
See,
So,
so you're experiencing the same
Maybe
shit.
it's the same shit, right?
I don't know, dude. It fucking kicks ass.
It goes. It definitely goes more than it did before, but holy shit. Those pops. That's what it is. It's those fucking backfires.
What, are you gonna be a fucking, like, gunshot kiddo now?
Like, apparently. It's usable power. Like, do I need more than this? No.
This is like it's enough to run from cops.
Wait, I would never do that.
You can't say that.
I would never do that. What are you talking about?
What I'm supposed to do? She said, "Bones, I just wanna get close." Yeah, I know what I'm supposed to do. I'm fresh out the lot, my baby, brand new.